Okay, we're going to program our buttons that are underneath our rear view mirror to open our garage. We just need the original garage door opener. This is a BMW X4 M40i, but this procedure is the same on practically all BMWs. The only difference might be that some of the buttons to control it might be up here instead of on the mirror itself. So we need to make sure the ignition is turned on. And there are 3 buttons under here, 1, 2, and 3. So we're gonna first hold button 1 and 3 in simultaneously. You can see this light will light up and you hold it in for about 15 to 20 seconds. And this light will start flashing to let you know that it is in learning mode. Okay, so once that happens, then you hold whichever button it is that you want to program. I'm gonna do number 1. I'm gonna hold that and our remote control at the same time, so you will see that it started flashing. And of course our garage door is going to go down, so be careful when you do this. Make sure that there's nothing there because you're holding the button in to do it. And you will notice that, oh, look at that. And that's all it takes. So sometimes you'll need to go up to your garage door opener and hit the learn button. I'll show you how to do that in a second, but as you can see, you just hold this in for a few seconds and it is now programmed. Okay, if step 1 for that did not work for you, get on a ladder and come up in your garage. And if you look at the back here, you're going to see a button similar to this one. It's the program button. You hold that in until this light comes on, and then you'll have 30 seconds to get back to your car and hold in that whichever button it is that you want to program. And you should see the light on here will probably start flashing once it gets the signal, and then you should be good to go.